Decoding the Word Kook. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting word used colloquially in the English language: cook. If you've ever heard this term and wondered about its meaning, context, and usage, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery of this word. Kook is a slang term that refers to a person who is perceived as eccentric, crazy, or bizarre. While it's generally used in a light-hearted or humorous manner, it's essential to be cautious as it can be offensive if used to mock or insult someone genuinely dealing with mental health issues. The term cook is believed to have originated in the United States during the mid-20th century. It was initially used in the surfing community to describe a novice or inept surfer, but over time, its meaning broadened to describe anyone who's a bit quirky or offbeat. Here are some examples to help you understand how cook can be used. 1. My uncle has some weird theories about aliens. He's such a cook. 2. She might seem like a cook with all her strange habits, but she's brilliant in her field. 3. Don't mind him. He's the local cook who believes in conspiracy theories. Remember, context matters. In some situations, using cook playfully is fine, but always be sensitive to others' feelings. If you're looking to enrich your vocabulary or want alternative words, here are some synonyms for cook: oddball, eccentric, nutcase. Be cautious as this can also be derogatory. Weirdo. So there we have it. Now you know what a cook is, its origins, and how to use it in your conversations. Always remember the importance of context and sensitivity when using slang. We hope this video has shed light on this quirky term, and you've added a fun word to your vocabulary. Happy learning!